Hi, I was asked to make an installation video for the Striker with Mancraft. This video will show you how easy it is to put a Striker together with Mancraft system in it. This is the tools you need. It's what I just got handy. Maybe you can use a better tool. That's what I have. This you will need to buy when you order the kit. It doesn't come with this. I think the Mancraft realized there is more than one system out. I know Power 6 in France use another system they call EU system, Europe system, call it what you want. This is the system Polestar started with, and it works. I don't see how or why they want to create a new wheel. So enough about that. It's super easy to install. You just take out the bolt, disassemble it, put the Mancraft in. I don't want to show you how you put your hose through it, because that's personal. I think I will sooner make an CO2 stock where I get the CO2 like this, and with some HPA regulator and an expansion chamber, so I can use this as the stock tube. So I don't know if it's gonna be expensive. In Denmark it's a little expensive, I believe. In the US it's cheaper. We give about $11 for it. So let's take it apart. I got the kit, the extra parts, some spare parts, some Mancraft patches. So basically you just disassemble it like you used to when you take the bolt out. Easy. Yes, I cheated. I put it soft spring it. So away with this, away with this. You get the Mancraft kit. You got a screw here, and this not screw, or what you call it. I'll just do like this time. You have to take the other screw off it to get it in the cylinder. You have two holes. This is a blind hole, and this is the air hole. You will want this the different side of the handle, just like this. So you get the air hole over here. So just put it in, screw it on. No tools needed for this. Just some manpower, you know. The Mancraft didn't pay me to do this. Mancraft didn't give me this. I paid it with my own money, and just wanted it. I wanted to be one of the first with it. So, but Mancraft, I love your system. It's my second system with Mancraft. So, oh, I got it wrong in here. Let's see if I can get it out. It just snapped in the wrong place. No problem. Just check it out. Turn it around like this. as you see, they did an awesome job in the finish. Can barely push it to the side. So we got the air hole, the blind hole. Let's put it in. Super easy. Just like that. Take this screw in it. So, just like this. And again, just put it in it. He's just being a little bitch here. So maybe we got lucky. I don't know. Doesn't know yet. Yeah. It's there. You can definitely get a better tools than this one to keep the paint on it. If it was me that designed this, I would anodicize this piece instead of painting it. It will keep the colors longer, and it's more what do you call it? It's more strong than normal paint. So this is it. That's it. Super easy. Let's put this part on it. Check if it's holding there. Put there on it. Let's try. So, it works. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have some questions, feel free to ask. Please subscribe. I think that's it. So, thanks for watching. Hi.